Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply online at Vhembe tvet College. So I'm gonna be showing you how to apply online at Vhembe tvet College. So first thing you're gonna do guys, you're gonna open your internet browser. It can either be Chrome or Google, and then when you get there guys, you're gonna open your search tab, and then when you get to your search tab, you're gonna type www.vhembecollege.edu.za, as you can see on my screen guys. And then after typing this link, that's when you're gonna click on it. And then once you click on it, you see guys, here we are. Now we are inside the Vhembe tvet College website, right? So what you're gonna do guys, remember we're here to submit a new application. So what you're gonna do guys, now you're gonna scroll down, and then you can see guys, here we are now. You see the first one is written step number 1. Step number 1 guys is very much compulsory. It's where you're gonna be writing placement report, placement test. So it's very much important. So if you can check guys on my YouTube, there is a video on how to write the placement test, which is step number 1. So now guys, I'm gonna do step number 2. Step number 2 is where I'm starting the application, but then you have to do step number 1 first. Then after that, that's when you can come and do step number 2. So on my first video of step number 1, I have explained. You won't get confused what I'm talking about. So now guys, let's go to start application, which is step number 2. So I'm gonna click on start application. So as you can see guys, do you already have a student number? No. Returning to complete application? No. And then you click the box of I accept, and then after then you click next. So here guys, I'm gonna be filling my personal details. So here you fill your personal details the way they are. So yeah, on this part guys, mind you, I'm gonna put a sticker because you know I'm applying live, so obviously I'm using someone else's details. But then yeah, you just fill your personal details. So where you see the red star, just know it's compulsory guys. Where you see the red star, there's no way you can even skip. But anyway, there's no red star, you can skip. It's not compulsory. So put it in mind guys, that wherever you see red star is unskippable. So yeah, on this part guys, I'm filling my next of kin information. So yeah, mind you, I'm also gonna put a sticker. So yeah, but then you just know where there's a red star, it's compulsory. And then yeah, after filling everything guys, now you're gonna click next. You see there's a next there. Click next, and then here we are guys, school living year. And then on school living year guys, don't be confused. If maybe you are currently in matric, in 25 we are currently in matric, it means you're gonna apply with your grade 11 final result, right? So on school living, you're gonna put 2024. You cannot put 2025 because you are currently in matric. But then if already you finished matric, you're gonna write the year that you finished matric with. And then if maybe you are applying with grade 9 or 10 or 11, you're gonna then write the year that you did that grade 9 or that grade 10 or that grade 11. So yeah, that's how guys school living year works. Then after then you click on the box. Obviously guys, you're gonna apply for undergraduate. Either you're using grade 9, you're using grade 10, you're using grade 11, you're using matric. You're gonna apply for undergraduate. And then after then you're gonna click final school certificate. You're gonna click this one. So as you can see guys, as you can see, on final school living, there is only one option, right? So it simply means guys, here you can apply with matric, right? And then if you're in grade 11, still you're gonna choose this one because obviously you are in a process of matric. And then matric guys is NSC, is matric, National Senior Certificate. So yeah, you're gonna click it. And then remember, National Senior Certificate is equivalent to N4. That is why most of the time you're gonna start by N4 because National Senior Certificate is equivalent to N3. It's like you are having N3 if you are having matric. It's almost one and the same thing. It doesn't matter you are having high certificate, diploma or a bachelor, but then it's equivalent to N3 and then it's also equivalent to NTC3. So you can either apply with N3, National Senior Certificate, or NTC3. And then after that guys, now you're gonna click on school living subject. So now you're gonna enter your school living subject. So obviously it's either you're gonna put your grade 11 finals or you're gonna put your matric results. And then after that you click add subject. So you're gonna add all your subject just like this. And then yeah, after entering all your 7 subject guys, it can either be 7 or 6. If maybe like you failed one in matric, obviously it's gonna be 6. And then after then guys, you're gonna click next. And then here we are guys, which school did you attend, did you last attend? You're gonna click here. Then you search the name of your school. You can just type it here or scroll down to find it. But then if you feel like scrolling, it's gonna be a tough match. You can just type it and search. And then what are you currently doing? You're gonna click here. So as you can see guys, here are the options, right? Here are the options. What are you currently doing? If maybe you are currently in matric now, it means you're gonna click other. And then if maybe you are in grade 11, you're gonna click grade 11. If you are in grade 10, you're gonna click grade 10, and so on and so on. These are the options guys. So now since I am done with matric and then I am unemployed, I'm gonna click unemployed. And then have you studied at another institution previously? So on this one guys, I see most of you maybe you get things confused. If they're asking you have you studied at another institution previously, they're simple asking if maybe did you study at another college before or another university before. They are not referring to high school, they're referring to high institution. And then high institution, obviously guys, you are talking about college, university. Those are high institution they are referring to. So if you studied at another college before, you're gonna click yes. Or if maybe you studied at another university before, you're gonna click yes. But then that's if maybe you studied and you finished, because once you click yes, they're gonna need you to put your record on details. But then if you studied but then you didn't finish the course, then it's the same as you didn't study. So don't choose yes, because once you choose yes, they're gonna need you to fill your previous record. So now guys, I didn't start anywhere, so I'm gonna click no, because I didn't start anywhere. And then after that I'm gonna click next. And then now guys, here I'm gonna be choosing the courses. You start by academic year, you click here 2026, you choose the faculty, and then you see guys, now we are having 3 faculties, right? Faculty of Business Study, Faculty of Business Study, Faculty of Engineering Studies. So let's see first Faculty of Business Study. Let's open. So here we are guys. So yeah, it seems like guys at Vhembe currently, let me open another faculty before I can conclude my statement. Let me open another faculty before I can conclude my statement, so that you see guys, we are having like level 3, level 4. So obviously it means like they don't have level 2 for now. Okay, it means like grade 9 and 10 it won't work. So yeah, let's open engineering and see the courses. Maybe we can find level 2 there. And then you see guys, okay, it seems like we don't have level 2 at Vhembe. So it means like at Vhembe you can start by applying with grade 11, grade 12. So yeah, here we are guys, here are the courses, here are our courses. So first one guys, remember you cannot apply for N5 with matric, but then with matric you are allowed to apply for N4. You are allowed to apply for N4. So let me go and open the faculties of business, this one. So here are the courses guys, you see here are the courses, NCV courses. These are the NCV courses you are having, as you can see. So now guys, I'm just opening them so that you can have your time and then check the available courses, and then also see the courses that are offered at Vhembe. So these are the courses guys. Let me close it and open the another faculty of business. So you see guys, here's another faculty of business. Here's another faculty of business, as you can see. So now guys, I'm gonna apply for public management. So to choose a course guys, you see on your left side where it's written like NC4BM, NC4CP, NC4FM is where you're gonna click guys if you wanna choose the course. You just check the name of the course and then you go to your left, you choose there, and then you see the course is there, and then you're gonna click here and then you choose the campus. Obviously they're showing you the campus that the course is offered. This course is offered at Makwarela, but then at Makwarela is long distance, and then at Zimanyane is full time, so I'm gonna choose full time. So at Vhembe guys, they are allowing 3 choices, so you're gonna choose first choice, second choice, third choice. The choices guys, you know, they help you, like when you get rejected on the first choice, they're gonna consider the second choice, and then if you get rejected on the second choice, they're gonna consider the third choice. But then obviously if you just choose one choice and then continue, it means you have limited your chances, because once you get rejected on it, then that's done. So after then guys, once you are done, you're gonna click add qualification. You click add qualification, then you're gonna click again, same procedure, and then you choose the course. As I said guys, it's allowing 3 choices, so obviously I'm gonna be choosing 3 choices. Clothing production, because obviously, you know, being in fashion, yeah. Then add qualification. Then I'm gonna add the third choice. I'm gonna add the third choice. I'm gonna add the third choice. So you can see guys, now I'm done choosing 3 courses, right? The first one is public management, the second one is clothing production, the third one is management assistance. And then you can see like the campuses. The first one is Tsimanyani, the second one is Tingwe, the third one is also Tsisimani. And then a academic period guys, remember this is nated, so it's from January to June. It means from January to June you're gonna be doing N4, and then from July to December you're gonna be doing N5. That's how it works. And then obviously, as you can see guys, while you are still here, you see where it's written eligible to apply. If maybe guys you don't qualify for the course, and then this thing guys, it doesn't only talk about Vhembe. Any institution, when you are applying and then it's showing this thing eligible to apply, you check whether it's written no or yes. If you see it written no, just know you don't qualify for the course. Make sure that you change it before you submit, because obviously once you submit you're gonna get rejected, that's obvious. But then once it's written yes, you are eligible to apply, it means you stand chances there. Obviously if you get rejected, it's gonna be because of space, but then it cannot be because of requirements and stuff. No, maybe it can be because of space, but then your chances are there. And then once it's yes, just know you are on a safe side. And then after then you click next. You see there's a next there, you click next. And then here guys, they just want you to confirm your personal details, so you just check them and then see that if maybe you didn't do any error. And then if you did any error, that's when you're gonna click. You see on top guys, here you can just click where you want to go and change. If maybe you want to change biographical, you click on biographical. If you want to change next of kin, you click on next of kin. If you want to change metric, you click on metric. If you want to change previous studies, you click on previous studies. If you want to change qualifications, you click on qualifications. But then if everything is correct, and then you just scroll down, and then you see guys, here we are. And then you're gonna click the contour. You see there's a contour down there on your left side. Down there, there's a contour. You're gonna click that contour. And then here guys, now you're gonna set your login in pin. Remember, when you are setting login in pin guys, it should be 3 digital numbers, 5 digital numbers, and then no number should repeat itself. And then avoid using the numbers like 0, because using the numbers like 0 won't get you anywhere. It's gonna say error creating pin. So yeah, but then you make sure that it's 5 digital numbers. That's how we create a pin. And then once you are done creating your pin, that's when guys you can go down there, you scroll down so that you can contour. So I'm gonna be scrolling down, and then you click on the box of I accept. You see guys, now I click the box of I accept, right? And then you see the submit application is still gray, so it means it's unclickable, you cannot click on it. So I'm gonna click the box of I accept again. You see the tick is gone. I click it again, and then you see once I click it for the second time, the application submit application now is in black. It means now it's clickable. So I'm gonna click it now. And then you see guys, do you have any electronic copies of certified documents? So obviously guys, you see they want copies, alright. And then obviously copy must be certified so that they are aware that is your copy, and then you indeed have the original. So now guys, I'm gonna say yes, I have the copies. I'm gonna click yes. Then after then you click next, and then you see guys, now it means like at Vhembe doesn't even make any difference. You see now I clicked yes, right? But then they don't give me an option to upload documents. So it means I must complete the application and come back, log in, upload documents. So now guys, I'm gonna click complete upload. You click complete upload, you see Now the application is done. So they didn't allow me to upload documents same time. They didn't allow me to upload documents same time. So it means now guys, I'll have to come back and log in, upload documents, which is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be showing you how to upload the documents. So it means like when it comes to Vhembe guys, the videos they're gonna be three. The first one is gonna be the one to write a placement report. The second video is gonna be this one of submitting an application. The third video is gonna be the one of uploading documents. Remember, you have to do all these three videos so that you can do your application properly. Because if maybe you didn't do one of these or one of the three videos, just know your application is not complete. So it's a placement report video, is how to submit application video, how to upload documents video. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video useful. You like, you share, you comment. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Let's hit the subscribe button. Refer the page to friends and family. IT Cyber Cafe at work guys. IT Cyber Cafe at work.